Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Chrysler 300 without a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. Locate the push button Start on your dashboard. This method is useful if your key fob battery is dead or if you've misplaced your key temporarily. We'll cover the steps to get your engine running smoothly and safely. If your key fob battery is low, you can still use it to start your Chrysler 300. Hold the key fob directly against the push button Start. This allows the vehicle system to detect the fob signal even with a weak battery. While holding the fob in place, press the Start button firmly. This should engage the ignition and start your engine. It's a handy trick for unexpected situations. In an emergency, after trying the key fob method, check your dashboard for any warning lights. Make sure the steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent starting. If the engine doesn't immediately turn over, try the process a few times. Sometimes, a slight adjustment of the steering wheel or shifting the gear selector can help. Always prioritize safety and consult your owner's manual for specific details. If your Chrysler 300 still won't start, verify your car battery has sufficient charge. A dead car battery is a common culprit. Also, consider replacing your key fob battery if you haven't recently. Sometimes, a fresh fob battery is all it takes. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.